In demand TV. You know a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that.
My people, good afternoon, good night. I'm Mr. In Demand from the In Demand Show. No, not funny. So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. So people ask me what's the difference between America and Jamaica. Well, I'm going to break it down for you now. The difference between America and Jamaica, let me show you first. The first difference between America and Jamaica is the money. That is the first difference. The second difference is the culture and the climate and the, you know what I say, but the difference between America and Jamaica is you can have fruit trees in your yard. You can have animals in your yard where you actually can grow, and when them get big you kill them and feed your family. You don't have that luxury there in America. Everything you have to go to the slaughterhouse, you have to go to the grocery store, you have to go to them places to go buy them something there. You see what I say? But Jamaica, you can raise your 2 goats, you know what I say, you can make 1 chicken coop and put some chicken in there. You can grow some cane, some banana, some of them something there. In America, you hard to do them something there. Unless you live way in some bushy area where nobody not there, where no population not there. And it's still kind of hard because the government monitor certain things. So they don't want you have no livestock for your land, because they want you, if you go to the store, go buy it in the store. You catch me, I say? But I prefer Jamaica than America. And to all of my Jamaican them, I soon come back home. So no look out for me. You know what I say? Because America is a stressful place. When America done with it, you need to see therapy. Boy, America terrible. America stressful. The food no good. It just, to me, America is a place where you come and make money. You know what I say? And come see some things where you never see before, like the tall building them, and go some place and see some features like go at Disney World and go some place where you never go before, and kind of see some things where you never see before. But if you want real quality, you hear that? Your ambulance out there, that's America run. But if you want a real quality life, you have to go back home. Because when you go back home, you eat the real fruits, them like the orange, the banana. We are talking about things that may come off of the tree. You can just go pick a ripe banana off of the tree and eat it. Or you go cut a green banana and put it in your pot and cook it. It's a certain luxury way to get in the States. You know, get them back home. But so far, America is a good place where you can come make money, as me say. And you know me, I say you see some things that you never see before. The clothes over here, they're not that expensive. So you can go in a Ross or DD's or Burlington or some clothing store, you know, like clothes outlet. Them have cheap clothes, you know me, I say. But if you want a good way of living, a good lifestyle, certain quality living, you have to go back to your roots. And that a Jamaica. I mean, I tell all of my Jamaican them, stop run come America, come build America, and act like say Jamaica is nothing. I beg me Jamaican them, please and thanks. Stop act like say Jamaica ain't nothing, Jamaica ain't shit. Stop it. Because if you are not a citizen in America right now, you're in a problem. All the way, we're not a citizen in America. We're in a problem. Right now, if it becomes a citizen, the line long stretch around the world 2 times, because guess what? Everybody will come from all over will come to America trying to be a citizen, because Donald Trump will kick out everybody. Back in the days, the people them with the green card used to laugh off of people in all the documents. Now them can't even laugh off of people no more, because them same wanna get kicked out. You see what I say? So right now, having a green card in America back in the days used to be the thing. Used to be that, like, when you come from a different country, you come in America, you have a green card in America, is like, you the shiznit. Now having a green card is like having a bus ticket will expire, because if you have your green card expire every 10 years. So every 10 years you have to renew your green card. For people who never travel and never have a green card, me I tell you now. Green card, every 10 years a green card expire. So if you have the green card, you get in trouble. When it's time for renewing your green card, them can fling you away. Under the Trump administration where I'm going with now. So, as me said, Trump kick out people for all kind of reasons. You need not to do nothing. Them just look for you and like you. And just kick you out. People may say, a fool in the attack, a real truth me attack. Real truth. Because them a kick out people born all in America. Much less you will migrate from a different country, come to America. So to all of my people that migrate, build up back where you come from. Because nowhere no nice like yard. Where you come from, no yard, no homeland. You catch what I say? You know, me understand say we come to America for have a better life, or we come to America, you know me I say for better ourselves. But not for we better ourselves and we can go home and better we country and better other people and we stay here. Not for we come here and we worse off than we back home. So me I tell all of my people in America, America nice to an extent. You catch me I say? The climate, the weather, it's up and down. Today it's cold, tomorrow it's hot. It just all over the place. You catch me? I say me like Jamaica is a tropical paradise. The sun shine every day. You know me? I say we can, you know, people in America afraid to take off them shoes and walk go the front of them yard barefoot. Them worry about germs, them worry about this. Back home, me used to walk barefoot. Me never have no germ, not ever do. Me see me the on camera I talk to you know. So, Jamaica raised me, and Jamaica raised me to be a fine young man. Who not sit on the screen right now. And don't forget again, people, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It do a great deal. Is what I say? So, forward to me that say now. As I say, America good. Is what I say to an extent. I mean, I love the people from other countries come here and come get the experience, because it's not as easy as people think, you know. It's not as easy as people think. Right now, for the people who know the documents in America, them have it so hard right now. Them are having it so hard, harder than one can imagine, because all of the look doors them with open for people when they have no documents. Now them are close all of them doors, so you can't get a job. People afraid to hire you. It just chaos. You catch me? I say so. For all the people, if you make some money and have one good $20,000 and go home, go build a house, go home, go start in life properly, go home, go do right things on and off your walk and look over on the back of the horse, say a man go deport you. Because guess what? To all of my Jamaican them, to all of my Guyanese them, to all of my Trinidadian them when I straight in America, to all of my people them from different countries or different Caribbean islands when I straight in America. If you make a piece of money, why not go home, go invest it back in our homeland than to stay America and I run up and down and I hide and I look over on the shoulder and I give liar all our money. And I give landlord all our money. And when the money done and then catching it, them still I got deport you know. That makes sense. Don't, if you're making money in America, don't stay in America and spend half back your money. If you're in a certain situation. Take on the money and go back home and start proper life. Nothing wrong if you come out of the spotlight a little bit, because guess what? Everybody in the world can't fit in America. And you have people, you need people to live in Germany, people to live in Africa, people have to live all over the world. And not just America alone people want to live. So when you stop, take that out on the head like say, if you don't live in America and you can't survive nowhere else. A foolishness that. That's like more like brainwash. You catch me? I say, as me say, America nice to an extent, but America is not the nicest place on earth. To me, Jamaica is the nicest place because we have a river. You know, if me there at Jamaica right now, me can go down there so big Mars Joe to Anna Banana, me can go up there so big Sister Nancy some Aki, and me have Banana Aki and all of them something. They are foreign, you know, have them something there. You have to beg them something, then nobody now give them something they are foreign. As much as you hear people that talk about foreign this and foreign that, foreign a place where it's a selfish place. Foreign is a selfish place, my people. I'm not telling you nothing for the turn from not coming here. I am saying it's selfish. It's a selfish place. Foreign is where everybody look out for themselves. Nobody now look out for them neighbor and them family. Not even family. Because you come a foreigner and the same family them turn them back by you. The minute you come and you land on the plane, the same family them turn them back by you. You catch me? I say, so foreign is a place where make your friends and your family and everybody turn them back by you. Because everybody, I say, well, you have to stand up on your own. Which you're supposed to stand up on your own if you're grown. But you're still nothing wrong with one help one. You catch me? I come from? So people have to be careful what they wish for. As I say again, enough people may take that video and say, oh, him there foreigner, and no nobody come a foreign, so I'm going to tell you about a bunch of things where I want to come for experience it for myself. I don't love when I come experience it for myself. But then you're not going to realize say, what Mr. Indy man I talk about is not a lie. It's not a lie. You catch me? I say the food where them are selling in a store them. If you look on all the juice them have no natural nothing in them. A be artificial flavor, coloring and all of that. You know me? I say the natural thing them gone like just pure orange in the orange juice. That not there again. Apple juice. Pure apple just in the apple juice. Like I just apple alone you use make it juice. That not there again. That them if you stretch it out so much, you see because the factory them want to make $1 billion, gazillion dollar for the customer them. So them dilute it all the way down and them add preservative, them add coloring and them do all of that to make more money off of one orange than just squeeze and in a bottle and sell the orange. You catch me? I say enough people come to America come get diabetes, arthritis, alright then. Now I go on a better example. Most people come a foreign and come wear test glasses. If you don't notice it. And I really think me I tell you, you can't do any research. Whole heap of people will left them country. Me myself here. Enough of the people that left them nice country with everything intact. The minute them come to America, them will wear contact or them will wear test glasses. You know why? Because all of this thing, the TV, they right in front of your face, everything, it just give a bad sight. Trust me, as I say, America is a place you come make money. So all the people that have them family in America, link them up and make them file phone and come see where you go on. But me that love when I come legally because illegal something that now work no more. Trump tear down that. Trump tear down that. And they make it hard because right now, in the whole country of America, them are round up in all of the state, and them are round up illegal immigrants and them are deport them by the dozens, by the hundreds. You see what I say? It's just not a safe place anymore for people and document. You see what I say? And then if you find one person for married to and for go through that process there, it might make the process even harder anymore. And like say you just find one woman and find one man, you get married and green card come through. And so the thing I work no more. So enough people, though from Jamaica and them they are Jamaica, enough of the people may say are foreign, front them I put on a show like say there a be a thing I go on for them. When nothing I go on for them, some of them can barely pay them bills. Some of them can barely pay them bills, but when you see them in a picture and video, you say, blow, whoa, look for Mars Joe Benz. You never know, say Mars Joe would have killed himself in making car payment amount, because Mars Joe car payment probably have killed him with him insurance and everything. So, I said that she said this. That's why when I see people in a bad mind, people, because enough time I still a foreigner and I struggle. I a foreigner and I struggle with people. More while I struggle with paying my bills there, more I struggle with everything. I feel like I cook a chicken back, which I'm my favorite meat, but I just show them I foreign and I feel cook chicken back and I drink sugar and water and all of them things there. You catch me? I say, but nobody wouldn't see them moments there because when we are do them things there, we don't take picture and highlight it. So people wouldn't know them things there. People only take picture when they might eat steak, when them in a pretty clothes, when them are all of them something. Them don't take picture at them lowest point because enough people them embarrass. Them don't want people to see them at them lowest point. So that's part of living in America. You see me I say? So I'm say like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and follow me for more episodes for how living in America is. You know me I say? And this is part 1 follow it. I'm gonna follow part 2, part 3, part 4. And just keep going till, you know what I say, but big up on yourself. Peace.